In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade meme coins in Nigeria. Now, for this, you'll need an account on Axiom Pro. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as an amazing wallet and Twitter tracker, a great P&L tracker. They have an amazing reward system which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. They also have the ability to trade perpetuals. You can use their turbo mode for faster fills. You can set your own presets and adjust slippage, priority, and bribe fees. You can use all their amazing filters, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So to actually trade meme coins on here on Axiom, once you have your account, of course, you want to go to the Discover tab, and here you can see the trending, surging, and the DEX screener meme coins. However, the main thing and the main trading is going to be happening on the Pulse over here. So you want to go to Pulse. And then here you have the option to actually select some filters. So as you can see, you can click over here and then select your filters for new pairs, final stretches, and migrated coins. Now I'm going to reset these right now. There we go. So as you can see, there's a lot of different coins. And of course, you can set your filters if you want to. I have videos on that on my channel as well. You can check them out. Or you can, of course, just look at some other videos on YouTube. They will explain this in detail as well. And then once you find a coin you would like to essentially buy, you can just click on the coin, and then you can basically just start trading it. So let's say, for example, you found a good coin, and by the way, be very careful when you're buying this because most of these coins are scams. I'm just going to click on a random one just to show you. Now, here you can see the buy and the sell button. Before you do this, you will need some Solana inside your account. As you can see, I have some Sol right now. In case you don't have it, click on deposit up top. And here, this is going to be your deposit address. You can just send Solana to this address over here. You can convert it from USDC to Solana, or you can just buy it using their Coinbase integration. So they actually partnered up with Coinbase, and you can just buy, I think, upwards of 500 USD worth of Solana every single day on here without a hassle. Now, once you have some Solana on your account like this, you'll then be able to start buying and selling and essentially trading. So to actually trade, you want to go here, click on buy. You want to type in the amount, for example, 1, and then you can either buy with the market price, with a limit price you can set, or you can use some of these advanced features over here. Now, once you're done, just click on buy over here, and you've successfully bought your meme coins. And then once you're ready to sell, you can just go to sell, click on how much of these you would like to sell. So these are percentages right now, but if you want to, of course, do it in Solana, you can do it like this. And then you just want to simply sell it, and then you've successfully traded your meme coins. So this is how you do it. You have to buy and sell them over here. This is, of course, the basics on how this works. Now, if you want any more in-depth strategies, there's a lot of different videos online on YouTube as well as somewhere else that you can check. Of course, they will tell you these strategies, how this works. If you want a full guide on this Axiom platform, you can check it out. I have it on my channel. I have multiple for pretty much every single thing on this platform over here. So yeah, this is how to basically trade them and what to trade them with. But if you want any more in-depth tutorials, make sure to look on my channel. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.